Hi kids! Today we are going to do crayon rubbings. They're going to start out by looking like this. No, they're not. They're actually going to start out looking like this. We're going to make this first, which has a texture to it. Texture is something you can feel. Okay? It feels bumpy, feels like it's raised. And then we're going to do this. Okay, so you're going to get a bunch of shapes, and these shapes have, you can peel off the white part, and they're sticky, but don't touch the sticky part or it won't be sticky anymore. And we're going to fill up this board. This is a piece of cardboard. We're going to fill it up with shapes. Don't worry about the color as much as the design. Now I'm going big to little because I can do the big ones first. So my biggest pieces first, and then I get smaller and smaller. So if you can do big to little, that'll probably help. What else could I do? Maybe another dot over here. There. Fill in those spaces and make it look nice and balanced. It looks like I might need some spaces over here. Now let's go really tiny. Let's get these sharp pizza shaped pieces in here. Because I like pizza, you know. Do you like pizza? Most kids like pizza. Okay, so I'm putting these little pieces, and then maybe let's put some little tiny circles. Yep, so I'm peeling off the back and then sticking it onto the cardboard. There we go. Let's put a couple more triangles on here. All right. Okay, guys, here we go. Okay, the next thing then, once you have this done, ask Mrs. Ward, we're going to put a piece of paper over it, and we are going to tape it. We are going to tape it so it does not move while we're doing the rubbing. Then I'm going to give you a crayon, okay, and the crayon, it has all the paper taken off, okay, so that we can rub the edge. Instead of using this end, we're going to use this whole edge to rub along our paper. So let's see what's going to happen. So if I start, I want to rub fast. And hold your paper if you need to. Oh, and look at it. Even gets the outline of the cardboard. But do it kind of fast so you get all those shapes. Look at that. That's what we're going to do today. Right here. That looks so cool. And if we have time, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to give you another texture plate. See, this has texture on it. Texture is something that you can feel. We're going to stick it under there, and we're going to rub with one color. Fast and hard. There we go. Look at how cool that looks. Okay, and then we're going to lift up our paper and move it to a different spot. And then do a different color. This time I'm going to do orange. So you're going to do it 2 times. There you go. That's what we're going to do today. See you next time.